Okay, so I was just in my world on Minecraft, playing a game, having loads of fun, and some guy joined, and he was having loads of fun. So what I did, I killed him. I didn't want to be mean or anything, but he stole all my stuff, so I had to kill him. And then he left the game, and he sent me this really bad hate error. No, not hate error. I mean, sorry, hate message. And I just want to show you the message to just show him that he's super racist. I'll show you now. Look here. What is your problem, nigger? I don't never again come your place. I hate you, idiot, cheater, nigger. Isn't that's the racist thing I've ever heard? And if anyone could please report him to Sony, that would be really good, because if he's going round playing, joining servers and then killing everybody, no, I mean then stealing everybody's stuff, then sending hate messages to them, then that's just not on. So there it was. You saw it first. His name is Okilokotilo. That's what his name is. Yeah. That was all. Just to let you know, that definitely wasn't me. I am not racist. I support everybody. Everyone's all equal in a different way.